Hey, welcome back to our series. We, we have already studied about file and we have done writing in the file, and we are currently doing about teacher application to handle the data of the student. We have already done the part of writing in the file and reading or getting all data. Now we have to search data in the file. Let's do that. Else if decision 2 is equal to yes, sorry, we have to define this as variable yes, sorry, this is string. Then what we will have to do? First we have to make decision SID, means student ID, that we have to search we can say search ID to input enter stud and student ID to search simply. We will give some space here so that it look pretty good. Let's define the function to search. So you should define function at the beginning or at later. We can also define, but let's define here. Yes, I want to make a function defined search student. We should pass here student ID D. First of all, we should open file. Let's see, have we close file? Yes, student file is equal to open. We should open same file, so we will copy and paste it. C control, let's paste it here and let's close it. Dot close, as it will close here. Let's say here for line in student file, means there is a line in student file, means it will print only line. Then we will say if SID in line, there is SID means what we pass here. Then let's say search line S line is equal to say list no, just initialize here empty string. It will automatically change it. S line is equal to line, means that whole line will be get in one string here. Let's close the file and return from here, return S line. As we have written S line here, and we should get here, let's say student line. search line. We can give any name. Here we have get data that will be initialized in this variable. Here we should call this function. Here control V, we should pass this variable here, control V. Let's do some calculation here. Let's see the file. Teacher, here we have student ID, name, its section and its his or her percentage. Let's say there we should separate this file with comma here, so we can access this individually. Let's do that. We can split it. DETAIL detail, student detail is equal to, here student detail s detail, we will say only s detail, sorry, is equal to search line, because we have get here that this variable is assigned with the string of this file. Means if we search 1000, then it will return this file. All string is 1, not by separating comma. So we should match this. Let's look that. Here we have inbuilt function split. With whom? If we said point, let's say that here is point instead of this comma, then we could also split it, but here we have comma. Let's split it. Let's print first we will say this should be if len dot search line does not equal to 0, means if file have that result we want to print, we have search, then we will split it, otherwise we need not to split it. Let's cut it. We should remember, we should indexing here means we have to label it with its specific column. We have to give one tab here. I will put here, otherwise we should print here student not found. Sorry, UDE and student not found. We have, let's print student found. Then after we should print every value of the student. We should said ID is equal to dot format. We should pass here variable that is sDetail is a list. When we split the string, we will get a list of the string, means it will be converted into list. So we have to pass index. Let's see the index here in the file. This is 0, 1, 2 and this is 3. Let's give the index 0, id is equal to 0, then print. Let's copy it. Why we have to type more times? Control V, paste it for the 4 times. Here is name, here is section, here is %. Let's give here the detail 1, 2, 3. This is how we can search. Run module. We have to save it first. Yes, I think teacher 1 is the username, password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, it is. I want to read only, I want to search. Let's search with 1000. Sorry, Noble. I have get here boolean types. Sorry, I have get boolean type here. I will fix it. It said boolean type search line. Search line is equal to student dot get id. We have to get here s line. We have pass here and we have line. So we have get line here. Let's split here line. It will be list. We will get direct value here. Split split by comma, and let's see what happen here. We will try this for something. Let's wait for its solution. I will. Here I have found the error where we have gone. Good. We have taken here a string at the first. We have taken as such. But if we take this, it will not return anything. When the line is not found, any things will not found. So we have to make it none, means it is null, and it will be written here and we will get here. We should not make the length, because line means it will be only one. If it is not found, it will here it will return none. We have written for if student is not will not found, then we will return null here, otherwise we will return the line. Let's split it here. So we have split it here and print same data. If it will not found, means it if search line will be none, then student will not be found. Let's test it. Run it. Okay. Teacher 1, I think this is 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 5 6, not found. 5 6, enter. I want to read, I want to search, let's search for 1000. Yes, we have get ID is equal to 1000, student name is equal to John, and section is 60% is equal to 80. Let's search for that list that we have not. Search 1001, we have not, we haven't this list, so we have got not found. This is for simple application that we can make for making teacher app. So teacher can search, insert value, make record, and views all student. Suppose we have quite this, we can make here, we have 3 field here. Let's where this student ID, name, section, percentage. We can enter here a subject, all subject marks, then we can calculate total marks, obtain our full total full marks, and we can calculate percentage. The mathematical problem has been done already. If you got some problem, then comment it. I will add the video on future classes. If you get the problem, you can make that application. And one thing I want to say, that when we want to log in, we have code here, we have username and password here. So we can take this from this file to, means first line will be password of teacher, and next line will be the student details or student file. We will do this in next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.